Hello, beautiful and wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dojina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'm going to share with you how to make these beautifully baked chocolate chips cookies, guys. This turned out so delicious. It's crunchy on the outside, soft inside. You will definitely love this cookie recipe. Involve your kids into this and trust me, you're going to have fun in the kitchen. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add in butter, brown sugar, white sugar. Mix until well combined. So the list and amount of the ingredients will be listed in the comment section. Mix this ingredient until well combined, just like so. And add in 1 egg. Oops, it almost fell from my hand. Vanilla essence and salt to balance the sweetness. I'll then mix this together again until well combined. So as I was saying, involve your kids into this and let them help you. You will definitely have fun in the kitchen, guys. This turned out so delicious. It's yummy. You will love it. After, add in sieve flour, cornstarch, and baking soda. So the cornstarch makes it moist in the middle, like in the center, and it makes it so delicious and nice. Sieve in all these ingredients and then mix it together until well combined again. For example, this part, for instance, you can ask your kids to mix it, or you can even do it with your husband and or your lover or your boyfriend and have fun in the kitchen, guys. So you're looking for a thick paste like this. It's very thick. I'll then go ahead and add in the chocolate chips. And mix together until well combined again. And as you can see, the butter is very thick. So this is the consistency you're looking for. Just like so. When done, scoop about a tablespoon of the cake batter, of the cookie batter, and then roll it in a ball shape. Just like so. When done, arrange it in a tray, because at the end we're going to put it in the fridge for about an hour before baking it. Insert some of the cookies, some of the chocolate chips on top of the cookie batter. Now put it in the fridge to freeze for 1 hour before baking it. After 1 hour, line your baking tray with parchment paper and then arrange the cookies on top. So just hear the sound. It's well freezed. I didn't put it in the freezer, I put it in the fridge to chill. So make sure you leave some gaps between them, because when it's baked it will flatten up and you do not want it to get close to each other. Bake this, and then after baking, this is the outcome of it, guys. Just look at this beautiful baked cookies. It turned out so yummy, and I hope you're going to give this a try. So I baked this at 160 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, not more than that. It should be from 18 to 20 minutes. It shouldn't be more than that. If not, your biscuit will get bare. And look at this beautiful thing. It turned out so yummy. I love it. My son ate about 3 or 4 of this. It was fighting with my husband for this. It turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this a try, and I hope you're going to give me a thumbs up. comment, share, follow my page, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, adios. Ciao, ciao. Love you all and stay blessed. So guys, this is the outcome, and I hope you're going to love and I hope you're going to give this a try. See you then. Bye bye.